Moon Knight episode 3. I apologize for being late to this video. This is going to be a quick review because I don't really have a ton to say about this episode. I still want to post a review of it. I will, when I get a chance to catch up on Halo, I will upload a review probably tomorrow. No guarantees though. But yeah, this episode was good. I mentioned in last week's review of episode 2 that the show is like a globe trotting adventure, and that was just because that's what was described to me by the creators of the show. This is the episode where you really get to see it. The locations look beautiful, the effects are really cool in this show, and I'm really just enjoying how difficult a lot of the plot is to understand, but it's also interesting and all it switches between these personalities so much that if you're really not paying attention, you're not going to understand a lot of the show. It's really good though. Oscar Isaac and the rest of the cast's performance continues to be really good within the show and really interesting. I just really enjoyed how the show came together by the end of it. By the end of this episode, and it's weird because other Marvel shows, by this like Hawkeye, like Loki, like Falcon and the Winter Soldier, I'm thinking about the end of the show, and I'm sitting here going, nothing's happened. We're 3 episodes in, and I'm not interested at that point because. Now, if this was a normal show, I wouldn't think like that. Think, okay, well, 3 episodes, there's a whole another season and more to the show. No, these Marvel shows are only 1 seasons. They're only like 6 to 7 episodes, depending, right? So when nothing's happening, it really does harm this show quite a bit. But this show continues to be good and goes some cool directions that I'm excited to see what happens. I really enjoyed the characters, and I can see how this show by the end of the season could actually be a satisfying show and maybe possibly do a season 2, though I've heard rumors that they're not doing that, which wouldn't surprise me because most of these Marvel shows don't do season 2s, even the most popular ones like WandaVision. But yeah, this show's great and I'm really happy with it. This is one of the best Marvel things to come out in a long time, and when people say this one's great, this one they're not overhyping. This one's great.